guys, I am CJ and welcome back to my channel. So today is January 4, Saturday, first weekend of the year or the decade. So mag-camp together with SMS sa Mount Naupa. Alright, let's go guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, be a responsible traveler, leave no trace, and share peace and love.
We're here at the chapel wherein we will start our trek, our jump off. We're going to Naupa, Mount Naupa.
Layo English eh, sabi. Layo taga JP eh. Taga JP. JP nga, shipping ba? George and Peter.
George and Peter.
Bye. Hey guys, so medyo hangin kayo karon. And I'm just using my GoPro because, you know, it's easier for me to vlog using GoPro when I hike rather than using my my SLR. So that's why I'm just using my GoPro right now. Time check, it's 3:38 and actually today is my day 2 of my low carb diet. Let's burn these tabs. First time to hike without too much carbs, so hopefully I survive this. But this trail is not that difficult though. It's one of the easiest mountains to climb here in Cebu, so we'll see. It's probably a good start, good training, good workout with the low carb diet that I have. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, yeah.
Chula guys.
Tula mo?
Kuniti sa oy boy.
Mangihi ka? So may line, so di.
Kumusta itong mga holiday fats diha guys? One for me. Dapa. Kaya ako more. Ayaw kay apel ka. Bebe? Kira ka bebe?
Mawala na next week.
Kahilas ba? Guys ko to sa
Hike pa.
Pasok pa nyo, yun pa, kaon pa. Sinulog pa gano'n. Mau gani, guys, di ta dapat after sinulog. Ang pretitits mo, ang beer, ang lechon.
Asa mo lechon sa sinulog?
Kasi hindi rin na magpapakaon ninyo.
Tayo taga-Pasig na yung tulo? May pista man sa Pasig. Chula daw mo.
Chula daw sila.
Si Charlie daw, kanawa kay Chula.
Second chance.
Oo, Chula, ano no?
Sila, ikaw pa.
Diyos ko. Okay, so if mga ito kag-Mount Naupa guys, na entrance fee ng 20 pesos pero sirado man. Walay bayad. Okay. Pwede patag ang Naupa. Kapag uphill eh. Tangas. Siga, good ang ilong tsaka good. Diyos ko Lord. Muna to ang campsite gito na Naupa. Ang campsite diri. Diri may mag-camp kay nakapatag kaysa diri pikas no. Wala kayo patag. Hapon. Hapon. Syudad ra? Syudad. Cebu.
Away, taga Mandawi.
Na.
Ikaw?
Lahat taga Mandawi.
Text kwintay lang.
Ala, kahit tala.
Isang tulo.
Ako si Charlie, si Sheila.
Thank you. 40, 60, 20 times 30, 60.
Nigo ko sa'yo. So ending na alis lang ko dito sa taas dito. So kabayad ka ba 20 each kaya pag ito sa entrance fee nga to. And another 20 pesos diri sa campsite nga diri sa Patag kay as you can see ato sa Pikas kay hill kayo nga taas nga gamay na kay space para sa campsite niya. 9 mi ka book karon so kinahanglan bigta ko na akong campsite. Kanya sa pa mas hangin ngadto sa diri. So na diri mi magka-camp ron. Kutasan. Kutas gyud kayo. Ay, grabe da, lechon pa. Kaon pas Pasko. New Year. Mo nang diet ko ron kay para mahilis-hilisan ato mga tambok diri. Kay tambok na kay ta.
Autumn breeze, blue skies and golden leaves, and I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. Amber eyes, you're giving me butterflies, so I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. By my side, I gotta ride or die. We'll be rebels, you and me. Sailing towards the sun like we're shot from guns, living in a fantasy.
Guys, I'm so proud of Sheila.
Ayaw po kang dusa ang... Ay, sorry. Ako man. Ikaw na lang atong...
Hair and makeup.
Hoy, di ana si James practice jud ko nagluto jay.
Happy birthday!
Hoy, asa kong cellphone? Mulutaw na! Try to Mel!
Tamel.
Kapoy ninyo. Ambot ninyo. Ay, kusok.
Timan kita tuara.
Murag nawa.
How was your camping experience so far?
It was amazing as always. Charot.
It was
Hoy,
special.
over ate.
Super extra special. It's super and it's super and it's special.
It's my first time to camp here at Mount Nopa.
Really?
Yes, and I just didn't expect that the sunrise is
Sunrise was what? Charot. Let's go home, everybody. I don't know, guys, where we're going, but it's mas doon ko nung dire napita ko na sa Pikas ko na. Where are we going? To
we're going
Lanas.
at
Lanas.
Mount Lanas.
Mount Lanas.
Mount Lanas. Oh, we're here already. Magic. Ay, wako na for mo siminto dito dito. Kapoy kayo ni simintong lakawon nga pa ako. Pag-ied. Pero life is a highway. Wow, char.
Timing.
Okay. Life's like a road and I travel. Know that it's one way here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stay, sometimes you got to not turn away. At the roads and Memphis nights. Ganyan na gining paubos. Paubos ni semento. Bakit kaya akong tiil. Akong shins. Yan ay pagkuhan. Para mga mauwang sakit ka pa eh. Kapoy ba? Kapoy ba? Sarap na yung naging kong gabas. O, wala man lagi eh. Finally guys, pupunta din sa dalan. Nga. Kuhan. Tagyaan ng bus. After pila ka minutes no. Kapura pa sa paubos. Kapoy kaya. Nana siya sa dalan. Finally guys. So we're back in the city and that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love.